Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this purple stamped gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm going to be using today are from Colors by Llarowe. This gold, which I'll also be using as the base, is Joanna. The slightly lighter purple is Living on Borrowed Time. And the darker purple is Plum Ready for Summer. And these are all hollow. You can see it a little bit more on some than others under this lighting, but after I get the base coat applied, I'll also be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. As usual, for a gradient, I have a makeup sponge, and I'm going to be applying these colors, which frequently happens, kind of unevenly. I'm going to apply a wide amount of gold, overlap that with a wide amount of the lighter purple, and then just at the edge, the darker purple. Has a tendency to take over in my tests. And since I'm stamping with that color, I just need enough in the gradient to kind of help the transition. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a couple coats of that to all my nails. I added a layer of Sèche Vite before I did the gradient to help prevent the base coat from coming up. If you are not confident in your stamping, you can also add another layer of Sèche Vite right now, which will allow you to clean off your stamp if you miss stamp. I'm going to skip that step because I hope this will go pretty well. We're going to be using plate number 5 from the Mother Nature collection, and we're going to be working with these roses up in the corner, particularly up to this little large rose, which will be kind of featured at the tip of my nail. So my nail is going to kind of be right there in the pattern. I'm going to be using the darker purple, Plum Ready, as my stamping polish, and then I have my MoYou London Crystal Clear stamper and scraper. You could certainly leave your sponging latex on while you stamp, but I wanted to remove it right when the gradient was still fresh for an easier peel that way. You could also apply another layer of latex if you were worried about the stamping cleanup, but what I'm actually going to do is to grab a little piece of tape, and I'm going to go along the sides and pick up what I can with tape like that, and then other larger parts I will hit up with a Q-tip And then, of course, in there closely around the nails with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, you can finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out for an unplanned manicure. When I started stream, I was really tired and didn't have a plan, and this just kind of developed as a quote-unquote easy option. If you'd like to join me live, you can drop a follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP, or if you just would like to check out that process, that live stream will be archived here on YouTube in the next couple days. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.